Hi and welcome to simplyswim.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 2012 Tech Back from Maru. So let's take a closer look. Now the fabric used in this swimsuit is a Lycra property fabric, so it's really stretchy and very comfortable too. Now this swimsuit has got a high neck, so it gives you great coverage whilst you're in the water, and also a high leg is really flattering. Taking a look at the back of the swimsuit, this swimsuit has a Tech Back, so as you can see the shoulder straps cross over and they're also incredibly thin too, which reduces any pressure on your shoulders and also gives you that fantastic range of movement again. And as you can see on the front, it's got a fantastic sort of London 2012 Olympic design, so it's very on trend for this season and very current. So check it out here at simplyswim.com.